My name is Luke, and this is my bike check. My frame, I have a 2010 Kink Whip. My handlebars are the Odyssey Air Ross Space bars. My cable is just an animal cable in purple. My lever is an Odyssey mono lever in small. My grips are ODI long necks. My bar ends are the Stolen Vortex bar ends. They glow in the dark, but I don't recommend the ODIs because they hurt my hands a lot and I get blisters and stuff from them. My stem is just a stock stem, purple. My forks are stock. They just have like a 41 thermal sticker on them. I have an Odyssey quadrant rim in the front and laced to a Odyssey Vanadera 2 hub. Like the bolts, there's like no bolt. They like bolt into the hub. It's pretty sweet. Saves a lot of weight. My pedals, I have Odyssey Twisted PCs. They change colors, like white to purple, but right now they're kind of half because it's not really sunny out. But I have stock purple cranks. My brakes are the Odyssey Evo 2. My seat post is a kink trim. My post clamp is a kink trim. My post is fly. My seat is the Aaron Ross veteran seat, but I think this seat's really cool because it has his Aaron Ross keypad design under it, like the handlebars and his grips and stuff, but you can tear the denim off the top. I like to keep mine half because it shows. And it says Odyssey with Etnies on it. It's pretty sweet. I have a Odyssey MDS chain wheel, has a guard on it. Shadow Conspiracy interlock V2 chain, half link. I have like a Primo or Profile drive side hub guard, one of them too. My pegs, I don't have them on because we have to get a bolt to fit them. My tire is a Shadow Conspiracy belter. I have an Alienation Black Sheep rim laced to a purple cassette. I'll show you the noise. It's okay. Hope you liked it. Comment and rate and subscribe.